The moon is moving away from us. Right now, 3.8 centimeters every year, the width of your thumb. It has been drifting since the day it formed, and if it had started just a little too close, or drifted just a little too far, you would not be here. Here is what most people do not realize. The moon is not just a rock in the sky. It is a gravitational engine, and its distance from Earth, 384,400 kilometers, is not random. The moon creates tides, but tides do more than move water. They mix nutrients from the deep ocean with the surface. They carved out tidal pools, the places where scientists now believe the first life crawled out of the sea onto land. The moon tugs on Earth so strongly that it actually slows our rotation. Without the moon, a day would be about 6 hours long. 6 hours of daylight, 6 hours of darkness, spinning so fast the winds would be catastrophic. So what happens if you change that distance? Imagine the moon half as far away, 190,000 kilometers. The tides would not rise a few meters, they would rise hundreds of meters. Every coastline on Earth would be swallowed twice a day. Cities like New York, Mumbai, London, gone. But it gets worse. At that distance, the moon's gravity would stretch the Earth's crust itself. Constant earthquakes, endless volcanic eruptions. The tidal friction would slow Earth's rotation so dramatically that days would shorten to under 10 hours. And if the moon crept even closer, crossing what astronomers call the Roche limit, Earth's gravity would rip it apart. The moon would shatter into a ring of debris like Saturn's rings, beautiful from a distance, catastrophic up close. Now flip it. Move the moon twice as far away, 770,000 kilometers. The tides barely register. But something far more dangerous happens. Earth's tilt, the 23.5 degrees that give us seasons, would not stay. Without a large nearby moon, a planet's axis wobbles. Mars has no large moon, and its tilt has swung from 15 degrees to 35 and back over millions of years. Imagine Earth's climate resetting completely over and over. Ice ages one era, global hothouse the next, then ice again. Complex life would never get enough time to evolve. Agriculture would be impossible. Civilization would never start. The moon is not just a nice thing to have, it is a gravitational anchor, and it works only at this distance. Here is the part that should make you pause. The moon is 1/81st the mass of Earth. That ratio is absurd. No other planet in the solar system has a moon this large relative to its host. Not even close. And it sits at exactly the right distance to stabilize our tilt, to slow our rotation to a livable speed, to pull tides that churn the oceans without destroying the coasts. And on top of all that, it happens to be 400 times smaller than the Sun, but also 400 times closer, giving us perfect total solar eclipses. If the moon had formed just a few thousand kilometers closer or farther, out of 384,000, none of this would work. Stack this on top of Earth's 23.5 degree tilt, on top of our distance from the Sun, on top of liquid water that somehow never froze or boiled away. One coincidence you can explain. Two, you start to wonder, is this perfect distance a coincidence?